Okay guys, welcome back to my class. Today what we are going to do is we are going to do twisting. The design name is twisting, and here is a piece of fabric I'm using. Here is my bead, my matching thread, and my scissors. So let's get started. We are following this pattern. You insert your needle from the down this way and draw it out. In this class we are picking 4 instead of the 3 we are picking. We are picking 4. You pick 4. You are picking 4. Listen it. 1 2 3 4. You measure it this way. You insert it where the bead stop. You leave a small space and draw it out. You pick another 4 again. Remember the slants we did, right? You measure it backward. Have you seen it? You measure it backward. So you stop at this place. Don't insert your needle inside the place like this and bring it out above this thread. Do you see it? You pick another 4 again. 4. You measure it again. Have you seen it? It's top here, right? So put your needle, insert your needle inside, not by the side, inside, and draw it out at the front. Do you see it? You pick another 4 again. 4. You measure it again. It always stop at the second if your measurement is accurate. So you insert the needle inside this way and bring it out at the front. Make sure that the space you are leaving are the same so that it will be accurate and fall at the second one. Have you seen it? You pick another 4 again. You measure. You stop at the second one. Insert your needle inside and draw it. Bring it out this way. Pick another 4 again. You measure it again. You stop at the second because the measurement is accurate. Make sure the space you are leaving at the front is not much. It's the same as the one you used to start, and draw it out. You see, this is what we call twisting. We can call it chain work. Some people call it chain, some people call it twisting. You measure again. It's for the second. You start your needle inside and leave a small space and draw it out. Make sure the space you are leaving are the same, and keep on measuring it. You pick another 4 again. You measure it, insert your needle inside and bring it out. You pick another 4 again. You measure it, insert your needle where it stops inside it, leave a small space and draw it out. Listen it. Pick another 4 again. Always measure, and it's always stop at the second. It's always stop at see when I measure it, it's stop here, right? And insert my needle inside, not by the side, inside the bead here, and bring it out here. I leave a small space here and I'll bring it out. Seen it? Pick another 4 again. You measure again. It's always stop at the second if your measurement is accurate. And bring it out here. You have to be very careful while you're doing this. Don't rush yourself so that the pattern will come out well. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Pick another 4 again. Pick another 4 again. Measure it. Be a small space and draw it out. Pick another 4 again. You measure it. So let's for the second one. Put your needle inside and draw it out here. Are you seeing it? Another 4 again. It's always stop at the second of the last bead. Insert the needle inside. The fact that we are going to the this pattern is on. For that we are going to the second line, you have to pass it through inside and bring it out here, so I can do the second line of the pattern. Do you understand? I've passed the needle from here to this place and bring it out. Have you seen the first pattern? See how beautiful it is. You seen it? And it's sitting well. So pick another 4 again. Measure from where this thread stop and where the bead stop. Insert your needle there. Leave a small space, just small space, and draw it out. Pick another 4 again. You measure from where the thread stop downward and the bead stop here. Insert your needle inside the bead. Inside. Leave a small space and bring it out here and draw it out. You pick another 4 again. You measure it again. You stop at the second, insert your needle inside and bring it out above the thread. Make sure that the space you are leaving are the same. You pick another 4 again. Keep on measuring it so I can get the accurate measurement. Keep on measuring and make sure the space you are leaving are the same place and draw it out. You see? Pick another 4 again. Measure it. Insert the needle. Draw it out outside. Pick another 4. Measure it. You stop at the second one. Insert your needle. Bring it out above the thread. Measure it again. Always measure. Keep on measuring it so that you get the accurate one and the bead will sit well. Are you seeing it? Okay, I see what I'm doing, sure. Take my camera, let me place it so you keep on measuring, please. Keep on measuring it. Keep on measuring. Are you seeing it? Keep on picking for pick another 4 again. Measure it. Insert your needle inside and bring it above the thread. Pick another 4. Measure it. Insert your needle inside, leave a small space and draw it out. Pick another 4. Measure it. To the stop the second one, insert your needle and bring it out at the top of the thread. another 4 again. Measure it where the bead stop inside the needle inside. Leave a small space above the thread and draw it out. Another 4 again. Or we are picking 4. You can pick more than 4 for this pattern. For this type, you can pick more than 4. Depend. You can pick 5, 6, 7, 8. It's your choice. For this tutorial, you are picking just 4 beads. You measure it again. See where it stops. Second, insert your needle inside. Leave a small space and draw it out. Pick another 4 again. Measure it. Make sure you measure. I've seen it. So another 4 again. Measure it. Have you seen it? You measure, stop at the second one. Start the needle inside this way. You are coming this way, so close it like this. Have you seen it? So come to this first one. So you do it this way, like this. Insert your needle and draw it out. Hope you see what I'm doing. Okay, you pick another 4 again. You will still measure. Yes, you will measure it this way. Insert your needle like this and bring it out. Yeah, no. Yeah, by the side of the first one we started, the one first started. Yeah, draw it out. Oh, sorry, mistake. Okay. Have you seen it? See, yeah, it's sitting so very well. So another 4 again. Another 4 again. Measure it. You see where it's stop again. From here to here. When I measure, it stop here. Insert the needle inside because we're heading it here. So you bring the needle, insert it inside and draw it out so you can make a knot at the side. And here is what we did. Have you seen it? See how beautiful it is.